Here we go, problem number 4 from your homework, a freebie. My slope, by definition, is delta y over delta x. So, if we come over here and pick any two ordered pairs that we want, okay, I'm going to pick 10, 2 from the table, and then I'm going to pick 8, 1. And I can pick any of these that I want. I just happen to pick these. All right, remember that the first number is the x, second number is the y. So I want to know how the y is changing. So I'm going to do 2 minus 1. Remember, y's go on top. And then on my change in x's is going to be 10 minus 8. So that's going to be 1/2. 1/2 is my slope. This one right here says pick a point, any point that you want. I don't know, just to change things up, I'm going to go with 6, 0. Again, you can pick any point that you want, and this will be right. See, you can pick a different x and y, different ordered pair from up here, and plug it in these blanks, and it's still going to be correct, because with the point slope, it can be any point. Any of these 5 points can be selected and then put in this formula, and that's the beauty of it. All right, so y minus, what's my y value? I chose this one, my y value is 0. And then what goes here? Look at your notes. That's your slope, which we've determined is 1/2. And then x minus, what's the x coordinate that we chose? Or that I chose, was 6. All right, there we go. That's point slope. There are no double signs. Just leave it like it is. Now, the beauty of me picking this point right here, what's y minus 0? It's just y. And so y minus 0, all of this becomes that right there. So that means all I got to do is take this and write it right here, and I have y equals, actually I have to distribute, sorry. Distribute because y equals mx plus b doesn't have parentheses. So this is going to be 1/2 x. What's half of negative 6? Negative 3. And again, my slope, y equals mx plus b. I got that right there. And now I'm going to take this and put it in standard form. All right, now remember we can't have fractions, so look at your denominator. Your denominator is 2. So multiply everything by 2. This, and that. All right, so 2 times y is 2y. Equal sign. 2 times 1/2 is 1 in front of the x, and 2 times the negative 3 is negative 6. Bye-bye fractions. All right, subtract a 1x from both sides, you get negative 1x plus 2y, that's a 0 pair, equals negative 6. We don't want this number to be negative, we want it to be positive, so if we change this to a positive, we have to change that sign, and we have to change this sign. So my final standard form answer is going to be 1x, which we'll simply write as x, and then minus 2y, and then 6. Standard form.